Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is a quick update for the weekly strategy which I shared in the Telegram group on Friday. So Friday afternoon or approximately around 1:17, I think 1:17 or 1:20 p.m. in the afternoon, I shared a simple strategy that is a double plateau. Now double plateau is an important strategy because that is one of my base strategies. Now I'll talk about that later in the option building course or strategy building course, but right now just understand the logic behind it. Looking at the structure first in the previous and old analysis, what did we have? We had this level here, this key level, right? So before any strategy, remember, you have to always study the market structure, and based on the market movements only build your strategy. Here, this previous FRVP zone, this was an operator activity zone. So what did we discuss in the last weekly analysis video? We discussed that this zone price has to stay above it. Correct? This is what we discussed. Only then we can see further upward movement. Then when this breakdown happened, we were expecting some bearish structure here. That's what I told in the Telegram group. I'm looking for a bearish structure, but I did not expect this entire fall to come. Right? So what happened here? We had 38% zone and 24,900 was the D line. All this was shared again in the Telegram group live market. Here 24,900 broke and directly we went to hit 24,500 level. Now question is what next? Looking at the structure here, it is very clear now that two options are available. All right, two options are very clearly available. First option is that this triangle is valid. This is a valid triangle. The fifth wave started here. It was supposed to hit around 25 320 or 25. I don't remember what exactly level was that, but it has to hit minimum there. Why? Because if this is your triangle first leg, right? I told you this is a trick. This triangle length, first leg length, should be equal minimum requirement. It should come till here minimum, right? So approximately around 25,320 or something like that should come, but price did not reach here. It turned before that itself. So first case. So case one I'm discussing is that very simple. This is a valid triangle and this wave is a fifth wave failure. Understand this? It's very rare cases and I'm just keeping this as a first priority. If it's a fifth case failure, that is the reason why market immediately retraced fully. That is the reason why market immediately retraced fully. Now, I know there are news events which are happening globally. I know there are some triggers in the geopolitical scene, some war here, some war there. But again, try to justify the market movements from price action first. Remove the noise. Second case. Now we understood this case. Fifth wave failure. What will happen in case this continues? Fifth wave failure, and what will happen to the current price structure? Then what will happen here is we will expect some pullback, and then once this consolidation is over, we will expect a further down move. All right. So this further down move, if I zoom out and show you, so if some fifth wave failure has happened here, I'm just zooming out here. If this is some fifth wave failure, and then we'll make a dip again towards 24,000 level. This entire gap will break, right? This entire gap will break and we will come and retest this point here. All right. This is one of the first bearish possibilities. Keep that in mind because we are trying to build a strategy here. Second case is simple, that this is nothing but your OG. This is your OG pattern. This is nothing but your expanded flat pattern or irregular flat pattern. Understood? Irregular flat pattern. What does this mean? Simple. This is a three-wave pattern. This is your A wave, a complex three wave B, your fast fall as C wave. This is a simple irregular flat pattern. So what happens after this? Market just goes up like this very fast. So in this case, this will be some fifth wave here. And remember this up zone, top zone, which I have marked here, is simply nothing but 24,250 to 24,475, I think. All right. This zone, I asked you a simple question in the Telegram group. Why is this zone important? I asked it long back. Those who know the answer, put it in the comments. Those who don't know, keep looking for it from the study material only on YouTube. I've found this zone, and using this zone only will work later. But right now, we have two options. If you look at the structure here, we have two options. One is market falls down. Second option is market continues to rally. Simple. So what was the strategy deployed on Friday? So we were here at this time, approximately at this point, right? Right, somewhere here we were there, and then we deployed a strategy. Again, deploying the strategy is all in the demo account, and I have taught this how to make a demo account for free. You can make your demo account for free. I'll share the link in the description. How do you do that? I made a guide video for that also. Now, if you look at the strategy, it's very, very simple. This is a double plateau. All right. Double plateau. What is it telling me? I have a small range in between, which is telling me that if the market expires here, I will make some loss, which is approximately around 1,000 rupees. It's very negligible. So what we're doing is we're not looking for profit. We're looking for practice and execution here. We're looking for one lot only one lot practice here. So the bottom range here, and there's a small range on top. So this is 24,900 approximately. Sorry, 23,900. 23,900. This is nearly 24,450, something like that. This is 24,950. Here is 25,400. So we have a big range. I'll show this on the charts. But by the understanding of this, you understand that if the market was somewhere here, we executed the strategy. If market goes up, we will make money. If market goes down, we'll make money. If market is sideways, we will not make money. So this is the base strategy. We are going to make adjustments to this. That's what I told you in the weekly, before the weekend, right? Before the weekend, I told you this structure. This is how it looks right now. This is how the chart looks right now. What did we do? We just booked out, if you see, we just booked out the call side, correct? We booked out the call side. The reason for this, I'll tell you, and what am I looking for, I'll tell you that. Like I said, first scenario was that there's one small critical information I'll share, which I don't think people at the moment will be able to understand this. So right now here in this move, this part here, this is a 15-minute chart. This is actually your Monday morning, 9:15 to approximately, let me check what time, 9:45. So what has happened here on the higher time frame, we have two options. What is the option? First option is that market can go up continuation full, right? It can rally continuously, or it can turn back down. So what do I need? I need to confirm one of these two things. I want to know whether market is going to continue higher, or I want to know whether market is going to reverse. So here in the option strategy building course, I'll share in the advanced course, I have one signal system which will tell me, I'm waiting for that signal, which what will tell me that yes, I can, it's basically a pressure signal. I can look for this reversal part. I can look for entry here. What am I looking for here? Why did I book? Because if the price is coming higher, if the price is going to go higher, my call options, right here, my call options here, it will make money, no doubt, but I have better chance on a higher OTM. So currently this was around 25,150 and 25,250, right? I can short OTM call options farther away. So right now when I executed this, it was around 29 rupees, 150, 25 150 call option, and 25 250 call option was around 19 rupees. All right. If you look at the price right now, let me just check. The current price of the same thing is 53 rupees and 30 rupees. The combined premium is 80 rupees. 80 rupees premium. That has become very high. So what did we do is basically we just let the market go higher, and we will do the same strategy again, but we'll start off with selling options. Basically here, if the price goes, so right now, what range did we have? 400. Show it to you, it'll be much easier. Okay. So 1 hour chart, again, Nifty. Upper range, 450 to 24,900. This is one range. Downside 24,400 to 23,900. So wherever the market expires in this range, 25,400, 24,900, 950, approximately 24,450, 23,900. All right. So wherever the market expires, we will make some money in this range. Okay. If the market doesn't expire in this range, we will make a loss of 1,000 rupees. That's all. This is a basic bare minimum. So what did we do here? Two options market can turn down like this, or it can continue higher. So now we have to make adjustments like this. Simple, no complication. If the market turns down, once we have confirmation that yes, market is going to turn down, what we'll do, we'll just add call options from top because they're higher premium now, right? Because of this rise, premium has become higher. We will add call options here, shorts. So if I just do this, for example, I'll add some OTM call options. For example, it looks something like this, correct? It will look something like this. Now, question is, yes, what if the market falls down? What if the market falls down like this now? So we have added call options at a higher level, shorts, very good. We already have bearish position, correct? We already have a bearish position active here, this part. So in case market falls down around 24,000 also, we will make money. No issues with that. This is a simple understanding of bearish scenario. Now question is, what about bullish case? What about the bullish case here? What if market continues to rally on top like this? Might take a small pause and then again go higher. What do we do in that case? Simple, nothing much to do. Just shift this bearish, right? Right now, this is a current strategy. What we'll do is we are already in profit, right? We're already in profit from 24,100 PE and 24,200 PE. What we'll do is just take this, shift it by 100 points tomorrow. In case market does not fall, we'll shift it by 100 points tomorrow. We'll take same thing. So what I'll do is this, if I shift it, it'll come to 200p. I'm not doing it. So there's no need to change 200p. Just change this 200p to 300p. Simple. So new range, new position will be 24,200 PE and 24,300 PE. That's all. That's all. Already existing, we already have 24,200 PE, so there's no need to change it. We'll just add this 24,300 PE in case market does not fall and plans to continue to go higher. So basically what we're doing is we are not worried about sudden fall in the market. We are looking for any time the market turns. Market does not turn, we'll keep shifting our PE. Now, once you find some resistance, when we find some resistance on top, when we find any resistance on top, let's say we have expiry on 19th, right? So obviously market has to make some high somewhere. So let's assume that market makes high directly on 19th. So some resistance will come. That time we will add your 25,400, 500 call options for booking this range, for this resistance to hold till the expiry. That's all. It's very simple process, nothing complicated. If you don't understand this, just go back once. This is again based on market structure. We are adjusting based on market structure, not based on some premium level, not based on open interest, not based on your FIDI figures. So this many retailers who are just watching the first time will not understand if you don't know market structure. A very simple game, nothing complicated. Just rewind this video and watch it again. You'll understand it very clearly. All right. So I'll keep you updated. If you're in the Telegram group, I'll keep you updated if there's any change. Suppose I get a different signal here, right? With the signal which I was talking about. If I get a different signal, I'll update it in the live market. Live market, I cannot make videos, so I will just update it in the Telegram group. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and be safe.